Hi guys, before starting this video I just wanted to give you a quick update about our new channel, which is Home #Life Hindi. It would be so great if you come there and join us. There are so many videos regarding Diwali and vlogs are lined up for this upcoming month. You will find the subscription link in the description box below or in the comment section or even here in the I button. I wish to see you there soon. Now let's start today's video. Namaste, welcome to Home #Life, and in today's video I will be sharing with you how to shop at IKEA without wasting time, few tips and tricks which I gained through my experience. Tip number 1 is, before going to IKEA, don't forget to check the wait time, and especially on weekends. Trust me friends, if you don't check, you will waste your time by standing in the long queue. And you literally don't want that. So if you are going there on Saturday or Sunday, don't forget to check the waiting time. Tip number 2, find your product online before going to the store. If you have products requirement in your mind, first go to their website, type the product name like kitchen rack, and you will find many items on screen to match your requirement. From there you can write down this unique name to search their product in the store. Trust me, this way you will save tons of time, because IKEA is a huge store and they have like innumerable product in their store. Tip number 3 is, if you know which product to buy or already you have decided which product you want to buy, then you can take the elevator directly to the self-collection floor. No need to roam in their display section floors. By this way you will not waste your time and you can thank me later. Tip number 4 is, if you already select the product and if you want to buy that particular product and if you want to go IKEA for that particular product, then don't forget to check the availability before going to the store. You can simply search for the product on their online website and check any of the products availability like this one. When I was in the store, this product shown in low availability and it was the last product for me to grab and go. Tip number 5 is, after selecting all those products you need, don't forget to take the screenshot on your phone. These products have some unique name, better writing down. You can take their photo, take their screenshots on your phone. Simply open their website on your phone and take the screenshots of every single item. When I was not able to search the product in their designated place, what I did, I approached to store executives, show the screenshots, and it was way easy for them to guide me rather describing the product or finding hard time to pronounce their unique names like this one. Kung Force or Baljan or Vettenkrase. I think you get it. But don't worry, you are sorted. Tip number 6, don't forget to check the return and refund policy. For family member, you will get 90 days or 3 months time period to return the product, and for non-family member, 60 days or 2 months time frame will be there, according to me, which is pretty good. Keep in mind that you will get maximum 10,000 rupees refund per card. Tip number 7 is, don't touch their display items. Almost all big bulky products you need to collect from their self-service point. It's kind of warehouse where every product you will find like their aisle number, rack number, location number, and you need to go there by yourself to collect the product. It's a complete self-help. For home furnishing, small kitchen items, small lighting and home decor products you can find in their own designated location or place, but for the bulky item or big item or furniture, you need to go to their self collection center. Hope these 7 tips will help you to shop at IKEA quickly and efficiently. If you like those tips and tricks on how to shop at IKEA, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up and also share this video if you found it helpful. I will share more tips and tricks and hacks how to shop at IKEA in future videos. So if you wish to see them, don't forget to subscribe to Home #Live and click that bell icon. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.